If you have ever booked a train ticket in India, you have probably seen terms like sleeper, 3AC, 2AC, chair car, first AC, and honestly, it can get confusing, especially if you don't travel by train often. So in this video, let's quickly understand the different travel classes in Indian Railway and which one might be best for your journey. So let's start with the most budget-friendly option, second sitting or 2S. This is mostly used for short distance travel during the day. You get regular seat, it's affordable, but it can get crowded during the peak hours. Next is the most common class in India, sleeper class. This is ideal for overnight journey if you're traveling on a budget. You get sleeping berths, fans and basic comfort, but there is no AC. It is one of the most affordable option for long distance train travel. Now, if you want more comfort, then comes third AC or 3AC. This is one of the most popular choices for long journey because you get air conditioning, bedding, curtains in some train and a more comfortable experience overall. It's perfect if you want a balance between comfort and budget. Above that is second AC or 2AC. Here, the coaches are less crowded, you get more privacy, wider berths, curtain and overall a quieter travel experience compared to 3AC. Then comes the premium option, first AC or 1AC. This is one of the most luxurious class in Indian Railways. You get private cabins, better privacy, more space and premium comfort. It's almost like traveling in a mini hotel room on a train. For daytime journey, you will also find chair car or CC, mostly in trains like Shatabdi or Vande Bharat. Instead of berths, you get comfortable reclining seats, making it ideal for short and medium distance daytime travel. And if you're looking for premium seating experience, some trains also offer executive chair car, which gives you extra legroom, wider seats and a more premium experience. Now, the big question, which class should you choose? If you want the cheapest option, go for sleeper or second sitting. If you want comfort with reasonable pricing, 3AC is usually the best choice. And if comfort and privacy matter most, then second AC or first AC is worth considering. The best part is with Paytm Travel, you can easily compare train options, check seat availability, view train timing and book your tickets quickly all in one place. So next time you book a train ticket, you will know exactly which class suits your journey best. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone planning a train trip soon. See you in the next video.